Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 235 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about imagining a calm place within yourself, a space you can always return to when life feels heavy. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Close your eyes and picture a peaceful space. It could be a quiet forest, a warm, sunny beach, or even a cozy room that makes you feel safe. Let yourself be there now. Notice the calm around you. Now, say to yourself, I can return to peace within me. My inner calm is always here. And I choose to rest in this moment. Keep breathing gently. Stay in this safe space for a few more moments. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of inner calm with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.